Hello everyone, welcome to Desktop Computer. In this tutorial, we will discuss about the georeferencing. We will learn the two methods to do the georeferencing. Before going to the practical part, we will first discuss about the basic concept about the georeferencing. Imagine you have an old map like this one which is in screen. It's just a picture, right? But what if you want to use it in a GPS app or overlay it with the modern data? Then we have to use the georeferencing. First, georeferencing is a way to define its location using a map coordinate and assign the coordinate system of the map set. In this tutorial, we will discuss about the two concepts about the georeferencing. The first one, which we are going to learn about the map to ground georeferencing. Map to ground georeferencing means the coordinate which already known to us. In this case, you can see here, this is the simple map of West Bengal, India. Here, coordinate is mentioned, and we will give the coordinate to this map, and we will reference the image. So let's begin. First, I am removing it. Simply, I just drag the West Bengal map into my ArcMap, and here you can see the one pop-up is occurred, the unknown spatial reference. It is nothing; it's also showing the GF, and this map is unrectified map. So we have to rectify it first. If we rectify, then we add the data in the ArcMap, then we will not see this pop-up. It will directly get added. So let's begin. For georeferencing task, we first have to add the georeferencing toolbar. If you are not able to see the georeferencing toolbar, then you have to go to the customize, then toolbar. From the toolbar, select the georeferencing. The first thing you have to check the imagery which you are going to georeference. It should be in this box. If you have added the more than one data, then there will be a list of imagery which is going to listed here. So you have to select the imagery which you have to georeference. So let's begin by taking the control point. First, we have to select at least the 3 points to georeference it properly. For better accuracy, I will suggest to take at least the 4 points. But taking the coordinate for taking the control point, go to the 8 coordinate point and zoom to the location which you are going to take the first control point. In this case, I am going to take that one, and right click on input X and Y. Give the X the longitude 86 and in Y give the latitude 26. And click on OK. And right click and click on zoom to layer. Then let's take the second point. So our second point will be this one. This 89 degree longitude and 27 degree latitude. So again, go to the 8 coordinate point and click. Right click on input X and Y. 89 and 27. Then click on OK. Then again, right click and click on zoom to layer. So our image just go little tilt because we have taken the 2 points here. So let's take the third point. So here you can see the um, coordinate start showing the actual coordinate, but still it is little different. So here our coordinate is 23 degree latitude, 89 degree longitude. So it is saying now 88.9, so we are going to correct it, 89 degree, and in latitude it is saying 22 degree 0.69, so we are going to correct it to 23 degree. Click on copy. So it is now look like a perfect georeference. So we are still going to take the one more point. .86 degree longitude and 22 degree latitude. So our georeferencing is done. You can check the accuracy by clicking on the view link table. So our almost all the point is correct. Here you can see the reference error 0.02 and 26 only, which is quite a perfect georeference. Now we are going to give the projection of this image. But before that, we will update the georeference. Simply click on update georeferencing, or you can rectify it where you can store the imagery so that you can use it later, and it will create a new imagery to use it. So simply go to rectify and select your folder and click on save. Here I am going to update the georeference. I have updated georeference now. I am going to remove it and click on catalog. Right click on the imagery which we added. Right click on properties. From the properties, click on special reference, which is showing undefined. Click on edit and select the user WGS84, or you can choose according to your preference. If I am not able to see the WGS84, go to your coordinate system, then go to the world. From the world, click on WGS84. Click OK. Apply. Then we are going to edit again. So here we didn't get any pop-up, and here from the down you can see the coordinate is showing as we move our cursor. So that was the image to ground georeferencing. Now we are going to learn about the image to image georeferencing. For image to image georeferencing, we will first add the rectify image. Then we will add the unrectified image. As we add the unrectified image, you can see the pop-up is here. It's showing the unknown spatial reference. Just simply click on OK. So now we have two images. The first one is rectified and second one is unrectified. So we are going to georeference the unrectified image with the reference of the rectified image. So first we have to click on that box and click the Jodhpur unrectified, which is unrectified image. Then we are going to add the unrectified image in another viewer. Just click on view tab. So one window will open. That means the Jodhpur unrectified image, and here you can see the Jodhpur rectified. So we will take the 4 exact point to rectify this imagery. So here use the zoom in. So start taking the control point. To taking the control point, simply click on add coordinate point and click in the location and go to the location which is similar to the unrectified image. Click it. This is just a zoom to layer tool. Here now we can't see the rectified image, so we have to uncheck the broken unrectified image. So let's take the second point. Try to take the point which is the not nearby each other. Just take the point a little far, so to better the image georeferencing. Now we are going to take the third point. Now we can easily zoom in and zoom out using the cursor now, because the image is now rectified almost, but we still take the two more points. Take the corner part so that you can easily understand the in your rectified image. Now you can see they start taking the point, but still the accuracy is not up to the mark. Take the third point. Now we are going to take the fourth point. So it is taken the fourth one accurately. Just simply click and close the window. Update the georeferencing if you want to update, or simply click on rectify. Now we are going to click on rectify and we'll select the folder. And my folder is in desktop. Let's see. Please select the folder. Rectify. Select the format you want to. If you want to change the format into another file format, then you can click right now and click on TIFF and click offset. It will take some time. That is the image to image georeferencing. Now we will get the projection to our unrectified image which we recently rectified. So we are going to add that image. So I am going to remove the unrectified image first, then go to the catalog, and from the catalog select the rectified image which we have just recently georeferenced. So we are not able to see the folder which we have created just now. So right click on georeference and click on refresh. So now we are able to see our rec folder which we just created. Then add the image So still we can see it is showing the unknown spatial reference, but now the image is came to the exact location, but they still showing the unknown spatial reference. So we have to give the projection to that image. Right click on the image, go to the properties. Right now you select the WGS UTM projection for that image. Is from the spatial reference, it is showing the undefined. Click on edit and click on projected coordinate system. From the projected coordinate system, click on UTM. From the UTM, expand the WC84, and since the Jodhpur is in northern hemisphere, expand the northern hemisphere. From the northern hemisphere, click WGS 9084 UTM zone 43N. So Jodhpur is in a 43 zone of UTM. So we have selected the 43N. Click on OK. Then apply. Click OK. Now we are going to add the image again. And we didn't get any pop-up, any error, because it is successfully georeferenced and projected also. Now we will verify the accuracy. For verifying the georeference accuracy, click on the customize toolbar, click on effect. So I have already added the effect tool here. Click on Jodhpur unrectified, which we recently rectify actually. Then click on swipe. So here you can see the image in exact the same location as our rectifying image. So that's it from this tutorial. From the next lecture, we'll learn about installation and we'll create the map. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you so much for joining. From today's tutorial, from the next tutorial, we'll discuss about the set file and Geodatabase, and what is the difference between the set file and Geodatabase also. We'll see the practical part of creating the set file in Geodatabase. So see you in the next lecture.